What's up?
Well, it's time for fishing.
Yep. Here goes the fishing trip. Where's the video we're taping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, so we're gonna go fishing. So we're going down. What? Oh, it's falling. Look at it. Yeah, I think I need to take the shock off. It's because of the shock off.
The worst. And what else do we need? Grab one of these guys. And then, did we get the hooks? The special hooks?
Did we get the worms?
Where's the special hooks? Where's the special hooks? Oh, it's in my pocket. I think that's everything. Let's grab my chair. Oh, grab a drink maybe?
Yeah.
What drink are you taking?
Wait, can you fix it at the place over there?
Yeah, what drink do you want?
What we have? Fine. Okay, we're going to the pond. You guys want to see that nice view of all the stickies, the fishies. I mean, we're probably gonna have small fish because we have worms. Okay, we're going down. See how much fish we can catch. Maybe 11, who knows? That nice view of that big mountain. Okay, so we got okay, so we're here, we're down here. Look at that rock up there, guys. It's a nice view. Okay, we're here. Think we're gonna fish. The water went up. The water went up, so we're gonna fish over here. There's Dimitri, the guy. Dimitri, where are we fishing? Let's see how much fish we can catch. Let's start. Okay. It's not falling off good.
Vendetta Beats Production.
Okay, we need to hook up our stuff and we need to start fishing. Try bringing it closer.
Over here, yeah.
Okay. That's a train. When I was going down. Okay. Okay, I got it.
I need some lines.
Yeah. Okay. Throw it in.
Oh, there's already fish there.
Wait. He's wobbling. Where should I drop him? I'll drop him right. I'm having blanks. Wait, you should switch over here. Oh, dude, there's a little fish biting me. Look, look. It's biting. Little fish. I can feel the pressure. It's a super small fish, though. No little baby ones. Oh, oh! All came off. You got lucky on that one. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Caught one? Wait, what kind? Same one I caught. Wait, that's the one that I caught? No, that was small. Yeah. What the heck? I want to have my gem on. It smells so weird.
Got it.
Got it. You got it. I got it. Catch a bunch like that.
Yeah, I know.
Can I try once?